this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Do not try to deliberately fit in. If it does not resonate, move on and do something productive with your life. Okay, if you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link in the description. Sometimes I speak bad words. If you're very sensitive, click out right now. Oops, hold on. What are you walking away from? I think you're overburdened by a situation and you're walking away from that, because I saw 10 of Wands and the 7 of Wands, which is like overburdened by a situation. Cutting out the outer world, like just trying to cut out everybody and just walking away, like not telling anybody what's up and just walking away. Some of you might be doing that. Okay, give me messages for Aquarius. So we have the Devil card, sorry, the Death card. So some of you are dealing with a Scorpio, and for others of you, as I said, you know, you're transiting through a transformation, leaving old patterns, moving to a new cycle. You might have hit a rock bottom recently, but you're glowing and growing again, which is great, right? So right from the Death, which is actually death, and Sun is like birth, new beginnings. You're starting a new chapter. You might have hit a rock bottom with somebody, a Scorpio or a Leo so far, but yeah, you've basically managed it well. Okay, so you did not let this situation crumble you. Some of you, you might have had a miscarriage in the past if you were trying to conceive, but with the Sun card, I see that happening. 3 of Wands, you're definitely leaving something behind and you're moving on. Okay, some of you it's a relationship, some of you it's a career, some of you, you're literally changing places. Some of you might be traveling overseas as well. You might be taking a holiday, maybe. You're taking a break from everything. You're going on a holiday. Take me along. So that's that. You're expanding your horizon. Maybe earlier you were thinking very narrow about something. Like you thought this is it. This is the boundary. This is how it is going to work. But now you're getting a perception shift, basically. Now you're realizing that no, there is more to it and more can be achieved. More can be done. So you're literally expanding your vision, okay? Page of Wands, starting a new chapter, fun and games coming in. Okay, I can also see that some of you will be connecting with someone while on a vacation. You've taken a break recently and maybe then you connect with someone. It could be a fire sign very strongly. So who is my Aquarius going to connect with in love? What's happening? So we have 4 of Wands and the Star card. Star card is literally you and 4 of Wands. What's up with the fire sign? You're definitely messing around with a fire sign. Some of you, you have more than one option, because we literally have 2 women here. We literally have 2 women here. For a cross watcher, if you're a fire sign and you're waiting for an Aquarius, they have someone in life, and that's why they are not paying attention to you. Okay, there could be a fire sign that's coming in for you, for sure, for sure. A fire sign has their eye on you, and they are very, they look at you. I mean, they think that you are very hot and sexy. I mean, they're very passionate. You know, what's up, you guys? You okay, so this looks to me like, you know, one of those times when you've given up on love and you don't think anything can happen and suddenly love comes in. So it's literally love knocking at your door. I see somebody is very interested in making things work with you. Fire sign, another Aquarius, could be a Leo for some of you, does not really matter, but I sense somebody is very determined in taking action towards you. They are communicating with you. Maybe they are calling and texting you more. When you are trying to take a break from everybody, this person is keeping a tab on you. They just want to communicate more with you. They want to have this to the next level, though it's like a lot of passion right now. This person really wants to work it out with you. You are having a good time regardless. The Devil card and the 9 of Pentacles. Some of you, it's a lot of sex that you guys are having with this person. I mean, it's like you're single, you're having fun, and then this person is interested in you as well. So you'll be like, okay, maybe, you know, let's just give it a shot. So what is the intention of the person? King of Pentacles. They think really well of you. It's no games, no bullshit. This looks like a lot of passion and a sense of you know, to make things work, basically. Like, I'm gonna make it work with this person. They think that they will make it work with you. Fool card. They want to have a new beginning with you. You guys are on top of your game. What's up? This is like the best reading so far. You're definitely connecting with someone. It's gonna be really well, and I think you have more than one option, so you decide. Do you want this earth sign or you want this fire sign? Some of it's a water sign. Anyway, people have their eye on you when you are not even paying attention. What will be the action of the person towards my Aqua next? Knight of Pentacles. So yeah, they are going to give you an offer, though it might be a pretty slow, like in the commitment process. They are communicating to and fro with you, but the commitment might take a little time, as maybe you are in your cocoon, or this person is like one of you is withdrawn. But I see it working. I think you guys will eventually be together. Chariot. Whatever stagnation is here with this Hermit card, that's gonna go off with the Chariot, okay? Next 7 days. Or number 7 can be significant. July can be significant. It's like somebody just pushes you out of your cocoon and they be like, no, I want to get committed to you. So, you have to get committed to me. That kind of energy, Eight of Cups. You are healing, okay? You are going through some sort of healing in your life and you're not even focusing on anything, but this person just wants to come and see. You're just putting your head down and moving on, and in that this person comes in and they give you a commitment offer, or they just tell you that, let's work it out, I like you. King of Swords. They really like that you're distant and aloof. I mean, some people like that. I mean, some people like unavailable people. I don't know why, but that's like a trait for some people. They really like the fact that you're very distant sort of, and I mean, you are not very clingy. They like that you're very independent, and they are very independent as well. So they think that you both can work it out. Six of Cups. Could be a reconciliation for some of you. Or if you are trying to like move away from this person, they still want you because they can't really move on from you. I definitely sense somebody is highly interested in you. Lovers card. I don't even need to do this reading any more further. I see somebody is head over heels for you guys, and they will make it work. No matter you want this or not, they will make it work. It's literally like going and dragging someone out and be like, no, I love you. That's it. I love you, so you have to love me back. That sort of energy. This person loves you a lot. A lot. Give me a message for Aquarius. Soulmate. Ooh. Some of you, this is a soulmate, and that's why the intense connection. Give me a message. So we have children and calling in your soulmate and reconciliation. As I said, some of you might be conceiving. If you want a child, you might have a child. But for others of you, it's like there's a childlike innocence in this connection and they like it. This person is manifesting you and a reconciliation is there. I sensed reconciliation. So it's like you don't want them, you're trying to push them away, but this person is going to come back regardless. For the cross watchers, this could be a vice versa energy, okay? Two of Swords. I definitely sense somebody's trying to shut their options. It could be you or the person you're dealing with, but the other person is adamant that no, I am going to make it work. Three of Pentacles. They want to make it work regardless. Some of you, there was a third party situation, as I said, but it's like they choose you. Even if there are so many options, they choose you. Let's take one more Romance Angel card. Give me a card for Aqua. This could be the one, and stay optimistic about your love life. Somebody is head over heels, guys. What's up? You've literally spellbound someone. I'm not sure. But this person thinks you're the one for them. They want to make it work with you. They are very optimistic that this is gonna work with you. They just don't want to leave you alone. This person will make it work by hook or by crook. Let's take an angel answer for you guys because I want to know more what's happening here. Alright, give me a message for Aqua, please. So, give me a message for Aqua. Okay. So we have opportunity. See? An opportunity in love knocking at your door. Some of you, you're letting go of something. As I said, you were hurting and you were trying to let go. It's like you're trying to let go, but this person be like, no. And we freaking have a no. So you're trying to let go, but this person is not going to let you go, right? This person be like, no, you want me or not, I want you, and I'm gonna make it work. I don't care. are not ready to listen to your no. Even if you tell them no, they'll be like no. Yeah. Within the next few weeks, you're going to see this coming in. This person is not leaving you. They are crazy after you. They will not leave you. Beautiful reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If this resonates, let me know in the comments what's up with you guys. Who is head over heels for you guys? I'm not sure, but somebody is in love with you. So yeah, some of you, this could be someone from the past. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, do that. If you have already, then thank you so much. We'll see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Bye.